Hi, I'm Mike with Warm and Safe Heated Gear, and today I'm going to talk about installing our new single or dual remote control in the new Gen 4 liner. The first thing you want to start with is the battery harness, which comes with all of our controllers. We would like you to go directly to the battery with this. This ensures that you have a good, strong electrical source to the controller. It also comes with a 15 amp fuse in there. On the other end, you have a weather cap over the jack, and this is where you'd be plugging your controller into. We recommend that you install the battery harness first, because when you go to sync the controller, you're going to need to have a power source. Also, when you have this out of the jacket and you plug it into power source, you have two different lights available. The red light shows that everything is plugged in and working correctly. If you have the battery harness hooked up backwards, the yellow light will glow. Once this is showing that you're having red, then you can just unplug this, grab the remote control, and then you need to get it into sync mode. You'll be turning it on and off 3 times, and it'll start double blinking. Once it's in double blink mode, you need to plug it into the power. The red light is on, it shows you everything is working properly. You are now in sync mode. The will now communicate back and forth. You will not need to resync this every time that you plug this in. The only time you need to resync is when you change the battery. We have designed this around a CR2032 battery, and they're available just about anywhere. So now that you have this synced up, we'll go into installing it into the jacket liner. It's best to do this because if you install this first, you can't tell if the lights are on or not. So unplug. We'll go into the left outside pocket. You will see one red cable in there. This is the main power in for the jacket. Inside the pocket, we have sewn in a pouch specifically made for this. Some of the older jackets do not have the pouch, but they will still work with this, any jacket out there. You will just have the receiver inside the hand pocket. To start this, you run it through the pocket, and there are holes at the bottom. Just pull them through. They're definitely nice and snug, so they don't move around. So now that that's in, the main power in on the jacket now plugs directly into the gray. If you have a single remote control, you don't have the center leg on there. So at this point you are done with that part of the installation. I'm installing a dual here, so there's more to do. Inside this pocket at the bottom is a buttonhole with white stitching around it. You will take the black lead and go through this to the inside pocket. Now you are going through 2 layers of fabric, so you have to just kind of fish it through there. Once you get it into the inside, you will notice that there's a red plug and a black jack. What this is the glove circuit in the jacket liner. If you want to control the jacket separately, you need to unplug these leave the jack inside, take the red plug and go to the black jack that you just routed through the jacket liner. You neatly tuck these back inside, or if you're feeling a little bit adventurous, there is a maintenance pocket inside the jacket. On the women's it's on the side, on the men's it's along the bottom. You can reach in there and pull the wires back inside. And then close the zippers. Now the red lead that was coming off the receiver, this becomes now your main power end for the jacket.